Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering fresh ingredients. 2 cups plain yogurt, 1 cup fresh mint leaves, 2 tablespoons cilantro, 1 small green chili, 1/2 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1/4 cup finely chopped onion, and salt to taste. If you prefer thicker raita, strain excess whey from the yogurt by letting it drain in a fine sieve for about 15 minutes. This concentrates flavor and prevents watery texture. Roughly chop the mint and cilantro. Deseed the chili if you want mild heat, and measure spices while you set a blender or mortar ready. Place the chopped mint, cilantro, and 1 small deseeded green chili into a blender and pulse with 1 tablespoon of water until you get a coarse green paste. Do not overblend or it will turn dark. Transfer 2 cups of strained yogurt to a bowl, stir in the green paste, and adjust consistency by adding up to 1/2 cup water or milk slowly until you reach the desired thickness. Whisk briskly for about 30 seconds to make the mixture smooth. Taste for salt, then chill for 10 minutes to let flavors meld before final seasoning. Finish by seasoning the chilled mint yogurt with salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon chopped masala for tang, and a pinch of sugar if you prefer balance. Taste and tweak. For serving, spoon into a bowl, garnish with a few whole mint leaves, a light drizzle of olive oil or ghee, and a sprinkle of roasted cumin powder or paprika for color and aroma. Serve cold alongside biryani, kebabs, or flatbreads, and store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will keep well for up to 3 days while retaining freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.